I was thinking some New Balances. I know you're recording right now. Anyway, here we go. Ready? Hey, it's Tom from Tom's Toons. We just brought this 1999 Crest. It's a Crest 3 into the shop. It's a 22-foot boat. We're gonna tear this thing all the way down and do what we do. It's 8.5 foot wide, so it's getting the blue new railing kit for 8.5 foot wide boats with a stern entry, swim ladder, all that good stuff. Let's walk through it and show you what it looks like now to compare it to what it's about to look like when we're done. It's got this kind of old school slanted door. You'll see these on some of the old Crests. We're getting rid of the low railing. Some people love these, some people hate them. Just depends on who you ask. It's a lift hinge with this slanted gate, which means all the furniture is custom to these slanted railings. Just a really unique boat, but it's gonna be a lot more modern and a lot prettier when we're done with it. I'll walk you through it. Just finished up this 1999 Crest, 22 foot long, 8.5 wide. If you've been tuning in, we love to do the super in-depth, detailed, bits and pieces of these projects. When we're crazy busy, there's 3 boats behind me, still got to get done for June. We just don't have time to film it all, but hopefully going through the finished project here will give you some ideas for your own project at home. We did the blue railings from pontoonstuff.com, the full kit with a stern entry. We'll look at that in a second. The tan woven vinyl floor, super comfortable on your feet. Kick those shoes off, get barefoot on this. It is really, really nice on your feet. Stainless steel cleats. We did wall mounted navigation lights and wall mounted docking lights. Those are an option. You can upgrade your existing railings if you're not doing all new railings. Quick add-on to modernize your boat a little bit. Let's walk around the side of the boat so you can see that stern entry and what it looks like from the back. This boat did also get the 8.5 by 10 foot Bimini in navy. We did a heavy duty stainless stern entry ladder. This flips down. It's got 4 rungs. It goes all the way past the floor here. So easy to board when you're swimming up to it. It's a nice feature. But this is a nice little spot. You can enter the side of the boat, come in the stern entry door, and get access smooth and easy right inside. There's a nice little space back here if you need to dry off. But we've got the pad. This pad is gonna open this way from the motor side so that if your motor did tilt and hit it, it wouldn't do any damage to the sun deck or the motor. It would just simply tilt up. There's an option to strap that down if you want to. On the other side, there's the fuel system in that port side area. The kit does come with a little nice pass-through grommet for your fuel line to come down. It's a really nice feature to protect your fuel line, keep it from getting rubbed on the rails or anything. That's nice smooth plastic. We're gonna go inside and look at what we did in there, seating and electronics wise. As you enter in, they opted for a rectangle table, 4 cup holders here, and then there are movable cup holders all over this boat. This customer also upgraded to stainless cup holders all the way around, so you can see them in that back corner. It is the fastest way. It's the first time we've done this. The luxury seats come with them, but to add in, I think it was 10 total. Really affordable way to upgrade all of your seating to just a little more touch of class. I really like it. In the back, we've got the big L couch with the lean back, and then in the back seat here, with these 8.5 foot kits, we have plenty of room to do a 38-inch bench across the back, just some nice added seating and still a lot of room to pass through. With the 8-foot kits, I typically opt to do a 28-inch bench, leave a little more room for passing through. But this back bench got a whole battery compartment. So we have a starting battery, our number 1 battery, we have a house battery, a deep cycle, and a 4-position switch. We've done videos on these in the past. Really nice option to have for your boat, especially if you're gonna be out sitting at the beach, sandbar, listening to music, having lights on at night while you're watching fireworks. We can run our house battery, the deep cycle, and then switch over to our starting battery turn the key and not have to worry about it being dead. This customer got a reclining helm chair, has the armrest, we can kick back, we can tilt forward, we can also slide our seat forward and back, depending who's driving, just to be nice and comfortable. Burlwood steering wheel, Burlwood gauge panel and switch panel. This boat got a horn as needed. Navigation lights, those are all LED, including the stern light. We have docking lights up front. We have interior LEDs or courtesy lights, give it a glow at night. And then we also have our Bluetooth stereo from pontoonstuff.com, the Deckmate stereo with 4 speakers. I did it again. As soon as that connects to my phone, it stops the video. Good going, Tom. Glove box here. And that gauge panel, we custom made this, once again, using the panel that you can order with the console, the switches and everything. Up front is just a nice big, this is what we call the living room.
Yes.
When we designed our own Tri-Toon, we did almost this identical layout seating wise. It's a 30-inch corner and we use the railing and the console as our stops or supports for the back. This is such a comfortable seat. If I were cruising on this boat with these folks, this is where I'd be sitting the whole time. We'll let Corey drive, take care of the cavitation, make sure none of that happens.
Well, if you're sitting there, it's definitely going to cavitate.
This boat is ready to head home. It's ready for a summer full of fun this summer and then tons of summers to come. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you on the next project and the next one after that, the next one after that. Please comment, ask some questions if you got them. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your friends, show them what you're gonna do to your pontoon boat using some of these ideas.